Hi, I'm Justin and I'll be walking you through FlowCut. So basically, before I deep in, I'd like to show you what the structure of FlowCut looks like. In the front end, we have Pi and PyQt web engines. On the back end, we are using OpenLipshot, which is a C++ library, and it helps us with speed along with FFmpeg and Python. Now, all of this is connected to a multi-agent AI system that can run on OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, or your local hosting. Currently, we use a mix of these agents, and we can either use OpenAI, but for this specific use case, we are using NVIDIA's Lava model. Now, the orchestration is done through LangChain and it's connected through multiple agents such as Remotion Rendering Service, which is eventually built upon React and interacts through an API. And now, even though our software is local first, we're a local first AI editor, we have builds across Linux, macOS, Windows, and it's able to continuously integrate our features through GitLab. Now, going back to our platform, we eventually have uh, multiple of these AI agents that work together. So the interface is pretty simple. You can eventually ask it to make you a blog, a long form content video, or a short form content video as per your use case. And now I can just tell him to generate some music for this specific video. And the most interesting feature that we have is that it's able to eventually make videos from the repos itself. It's able to go through the code and generate us a, a few videos. For example, in this case, it has made a demo for our own platform, and I will walk you through the demo itself. So we run it through run.sh, and that initializes the software. Now there are AI managers, plan graph, and flowcut assistant. You can choose through multiple of these directors. For example, I can choose YouTube and cinematic director, and these directors will think through and critique your video, and then they will make a plan to apply these changes to your specific video, and then you'll have multiple steps, and the AI orchestration will edit your video as per Adobe After Effects. Now we have a revert engine as well. In the revert engine, it's able to go through a specific step. It has copies of the context and the databases, and then it's able to change the timeline and change specific steps that it took, similar to how we have coding agents in the present world. Um, Now, there are a lot of other use cases. Almost 90% of the use cases from Premiere Pro and After Effects are covered in this demo, and I hope you guys like what we have built. Thank you so much.